What's up guys, you're watching iHack Life, and lately I've been getting some requests to do a video on how to set up and run a Minecraft server on 1.2.5. So that's exactly what I'm here to do today, and without further ado, the tutorial. Alright guys, and we're gonna look at method 1 now, and it's for people who just want to run a simple Bukkit server with a couple of plugins to play with their friends. Okay guys, for the pros and cons of using method 1, to start off with the pros, it is the simplest way to set up and run a Bukkit server for Minecraft. It requires no port forwarding, which means that you don't have to worry about your messing up your router. It can all be done over a more secure network, which means that overall you'll be more safe. And for the cons, the people who would like to join your Minecraft server have to download additional software just to join. In other words, Logme and Hamachi, which is what we will be using. And if you would later like to open up your server, it would cause an inconvenience because, again, you haven't port forwarded. So, what you want to do is you want to download the link in the description that I supplied you with, and it's basically this .rar file, and you want to make sure that you have WinRar. If you don't have it, I'll also supply that in the description below. And basically, you just want to extract that over here. And once you do, I have it right here. You'll come up with this file, and inside you'll get 3 files, which is craftbukkit.jar, hamachi.msi, and starter.bat. Now, what you want to do first is you want to install Hamachi, and I've already installed it, so you're going to have to do the rest. I hope you can. If you can't, you probably should not be watching this video, but anyway, that's for you to do. And once you do that, you want to open it up, so Hamachi right there, and I want to make sure that's on. Okay, so you want to make sure that's on. I've already got a network here, but you want to click network and then click create a new network. Once you do that, you just select a simple name and a password. I'm just going to put password for the sake of this video. Create, I'll put anyway server 2, server 1 2 3. Okay, there we go. Now, what you want to do is you want to go back to your file here. We can minimize this for now. And you want to click starter.bat. Now, what this is going to do, it's gonna create all the files that you need to run your server. And this is what you're going to open to run your server. Just let that do it, and here we are. Boom. There we are. Now, you want to look for this server.properties file, and you want to right click on it and click open with, and then click notepad, and then you can tick this box here, always use the selected program to open this kind of file. Okay, and you're gonna come up with all this good stuff. Now, if you're running a hacked launcher, in other words you haven't bought the game, naughty boys, you want to make sure that this is on false. But if you're like me and you have bought the game, leave it on true. And what you want to look for is this server IP. Now this is when you want to go back to Hamachi, and you want to right click on the actual IP, which is this. In my case is 5.122.69.95, and you want to right click on that and click copy IPv4 address, and you want to go back here and you want to paste it in, and then click save. But because this is open, whoa, you want to make sure this is closed first and then save it. Okay, that is done. Now, you want to open it again. It'll prepare all the stuff for you, and that's it. You're done. Now all you have to do is you have to enter this IP into your Minecraft, and you can play on your server. And if you want others to join your server, all they have to do is join your network that you made, and then put in this IP into their Minecraft. It's very, very simple. Okay guys, so this is the second method on setting up a Bukkit server on Minecraft 1.2.5, and basically it's for people who don't want to use Hamachi and they want to make their servers a bit more public and open, so anyone can join. They don't have to join your network on Hamachi, so that's basically why some people prefer it. So I'm going to get into that right now. So you want to extract it, obviously. Just gonna extract it right here, and it's right there. And what you want to do is you want to open it, and you don't need this, so you can delete it if you want. and you want to click starter.bat, and we're gonna let that load. And while we do, you want to open up your internet browser, and I'm gonna open up my router. Now if you don't know how to do that, you need to go to start. I'm gonna type cmd here. It's gonna bring you to the command prompt. If you're on XP and you want to do this, there's a little button here that says run. You want to click that and do exactly the same thing. Click cmd and then press enter, and it's gonna bring you up with this black box right here. And what you want to type is ip config, so CONFIG, and then press enter. Now you want to scroll up or down, and you want to find this. It says default gateway ... 192.168.1.1. Now that is exactly what you want to type into your internet browser. So 192.168.1.1, and then press enter, and it's going to bring you up with this. Now my router has the default password. It's admin username and admin password, and that's exactly what you want to log in with. Now this is where it starts to get a little more tricky. You want to go to applications and gaming, and what we're going to do now is we're going to port forward. As you can see, I've already port forwarded here, and it's not that difficult, but I'm just going to do it again for you here. I'm just going to do another one, say Minecraft, or better yet, actually, server. And where it says external port and internal port, you want to go back to the file right here, server properties, and this is your server port. So you want to make sure that you copy it, and if you can't open this file, it's just open with and then notepad. So you want to go to external port right here, and you want to paste it, and then when it says internal port, you want to do the same thing, paste, and you want to make sure that's on both. And right here you need to put the local IP of your computer. So we're going to go back to command prompt, and this is ours, and you want to look at the IP config you just did, and where it says IPv4 address, mine is 192.168.1.140, and that's exactly what you want to put in. Yours might not say IPv4 address if you're using Windows XP, but it should just say IP address. It might look something like this depending on what router you use, but I'm just going to do that. So I'm going to put here 140, alright, and I'm going to click enabled. So that's basically it in here. Okay, you want to click save and just wait for it to save. Okay, so once you do, you want to go back. You can close this now, you don't need it. And in your server, this thing, you want to go close it, and you want to open up server.properties again, and where it says right here server IP, you want to get your external IP. Now this is how you do it. You open up your internet browser again, and I'm just gonna search what's my IP, and Google should come up with your IP. That's mine right here, and I'll probably be blocking it right now because I don't want people to know my IP. Anyway, you want to copy that, and you want to put it right here in server IP. You want to paste it right there, and then you want to save it. So that's it. When you want people to join your server, all you have to do is send them the IP and they can join. Very simple. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Can you please like, comment, and subscribe? There's a lot more of these videos coming along the way, so just stay tuned. And you should check out my other channel called MogoCraft, and my other channel, which I do with my friends, called Foul Gamers. We're doing pretty good there. And so I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace.